So, Dodo was this little Webview app on iOS that people liked because it was super minimal and clean. Basically, it stripped away all the clutter you'd normally get in a browser. No tabs, no bars, just the page you wanted to see. It was lightweight, fast to launch, and even had some nice touches like HTTPS/SSL security, and a quick way to jump into Safari if you needed. People who used it seemed to enjoy the simplicity, and it actually had decent ratings overall. Some folks even used it for streaming anime or movies, though others complained that it didn't always work well for that kind of stuff. There were also occasional issues with Wi-Fi or certain sites not behaving perfectly, which happens a lot with Webview apps. The bigger problem, though, is that it's been pulled from the App Store. So if you don't already have it installed, you can't really try it out anymore, and even if you do, it's not going to get updates or fixes. That makes it harder to recommend in the long run. In short, it was a neat little tool while it lasted, worth using if you already had it on your phone, but not something you can count on now. If you're after that same kind of lightweight, no-frills browsing experience, you'd probably want to look at some other mini browser apps that are still being maintained.